Welcome back to Overheat 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. External automatic modular expansion and sophisticated automatic modular expansion mechanism is incorporated into the design of this motorhome. The walls and ceiling will hydraulically enlarge when parked, making the space significantly bigger than it was during transportation. Adaptive lighting. The exterior of the RV is outfitted with LED lighting that is both aesthetically pleasing and useful for lighting the surrounding region. Strong and lightweight materials. Aerospace-grade aluminum and carbon fiber are two lightweight composite materials used in the body construction. Interior ergonomic design. The driver will be as comfortable as possible thanks to ergonomically built seats and sofas with distinctive Ferrari details. Integrated entertainment system. The walls conceal large, high-definition LED screens. Throughout, a top-notch audio system is expertly incorporated. Bar and little kitchen or refrigerator filled with fine beverages and fruit for on-the-go refreshments, as well as a little bar with a top-notch espresso coffee maker. Ultra-fast connectivity. Ultra-high-speed data connectivity is guaranteed by Wi-Fi 6E and Starlink or comparable satellite connectivity. Ergonomic sleeping. Cozy sleeping spaces with specially designed beds to aid in physical recuperation. Individual climate control system. Riders can adjust the temperature in each suite to their preferred level thanks to the climate control system. Smart storage. Several concealed storage spaces designed to hold personal belongings, small parts, and necessary equipment. Self-sufficient energy system. This motorhome's energy requirements will probably be satisfied by a mix of solar panels and an efficient generator, with a sophisticated battery system for storage. Smart home system. An integrated smart home system that can be managed by voice commands or a touch panel controls the entire motorhome. Biometric security. To ensure secrecy, a biometric security system will be used for access to specific locations, especially the driver and strategy areas. Advanced air filter. Advanced HEPA air filter system.